everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I've got a professional USB microphone that I'm about to unbox. So here goes. Here's a closer look at all the features. Pretty excited about this. I was looking for one which I could use on my phone as well as my computer. So that'd be really useful for me. There we have it. We've got an instruction booklet. The stand. It's very solid. USB cable. And here's the main unit. It's really exciting. It's all the different options. Volume control, mic, mute. Need to connect the cord here. That's the one to connect to the headphones. This is very exciting. There are a few more pieces. Right, let's have a look at how to fix this together. Pretty handy, very sleek design. Absolutely love it. So there we have it, unboxed and ready to use. I'm looking forward to trying this one out. Thank you for watching my video. Have a really awesome day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.